Welcome to 106 Shotwell Street. This is a 4-room plus kitchen, half-floor apartment available for lease. There's some period details remaining throughout. When you enter here through the door, there's a interior hallway that leads to all the rooms, and the kitchen is here. It has tiled floor, black granite counters, gas range, full fridge. There's a free microwave if you want it, and some nice maple cabinets. Rear exit. We have 4 great rooms. I bet whoever rents this uses them all as bedrooms, but you're free to do whatever you want. And this first room would have been the original dining room. Has a bay window, wood paneling, a built-in service hutch, and a walk-in closet. It would be a great living room, but it's really nice big bedroom. And you even get a shot of downtown San Francisco. See all that space. Across the way, the smallest room is really not too small, and it has 2 windows, some unusual closets, and it has some wood paneling around it. Probably the original kitchen. Onward. The 3rd room is nice and big. Has a closet here and another bay window. Nice high ceilings, some moldings. The last room is huge also. It has this turret bay window. There's a big closet. It also has a window in the closet. And then all this space. The bath, the end of the hall, tiled floor, a storage closet, shower over tub, vanity. If you're interested in 106 Shotwell, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you and have a great day.